London Prince Harry's phone was hacked by journalists and private detectives working for the Daily Mirror, who violated his privacy by illegally spying on him. A judge ruled Friday, handing a historic victory to the estranged royal who broke with family tradition. In the British press, in his 386-page decision handed down in the High Court, Justice Timothy Fancourt said phone hacking was widespread and habitual at Mirror Group newspapers, and that managers at the newspapers had covered it up. The newspapers were ordered to pay £140,000 to the Duke Sussex for his use of illegal doxxing. In 1533 newspaper articles examined at the trial, Harry said the decision was confirming and should serve as a warning to other news media that use similar practices. An apparent reference to two tabloid publishers facing looming lawsuits in cases involving nearly identical allegations. Today is a great day for truth and accountability, Harry said in his statement read in front of the court by his lawyer. I was told that killing dragons will burn you. But in light of today's victory and the importance of doing what is necessary for a free and honest press, it is a price worth paying. Fancourt awarded compensation to the Duke for his distress, awarded an additional sum to reflect the particular pain and feeling of indignation that two directors at Trinity Mirror knew of this activity failed to stop it. They ignored what was happening and absolutely concealed it, Fancourt said. Had illegal behavior been stopped, the misuse of Duke's private information would have ended much sooner. Harry, 39, Charles' estranged younger son, had sought £440,000 as part of his crusade against British media, which debunked his family's long-standing aversion to trials and made him first senior member of royal family to testify. I believe phone hacking was on an industrial scale in at least 3 newspapers at the time, Harry told the Supreme Court. This is beyond any doubt. But Harry had little evidence to support his claims. The Mirror's lawyer showed him examples of that mirrored stories previously rival newspapers, and even from Buckingham Palace, and in one example, a story from an interview the prince gave to celebrate his own 18th birthday. Harry has repeatedly insisted that there is no way for newspapers to legitimately get their news out. Fancourt said Mirror Group was not responsible for all illegal activity against Duke by press, but found it had intercepted his messages as early as 2003 and when hacking was extensive at newspapers from 2006 to 2011. Lawyer Philippa Dempster, who is not involved in the case, said hundreds of people who wrote articles about them decades ago containing private information from dubious sources could now be inspired to take legal action against the newspapers. This is a landmark victory for individuals' privacy rights and marks another clear line in the sand for press standards, Dempster said. T.